All over what?
Oh
my god!
Oh fuck यार, सब देख सकता है यार shit.
मैं सब नहीं देख सकता and that is how I want to keep it. What the hell? Oh, she's like I am gonna introduce him. वो मेरे को कभी कभी दिखाता रहता था Discord में कभी कभी. They can completely take it out of context given the introduction that we have had. Sukriti, just to confirm, how old are you?
राव, तुझे कैसा लगा एक पॉडकास्ट में इतनी बातें करके?
Cools.
Yeah.
Can we start?
So yes, we have started.
Oh, we have started. You're gonna introduce me? Nice. Yeah.
रुक जाना, ठंड
Okay.
रख.
I can't see you though.
मैं क्या?
I can't see you in Discord.
Why can't you see me on Discord? रुक जा यार, तेरा नेट खराब है.
Oh, I can see you now. Nice. Great. That works.
Guys, ये मेरे बिना रह नहीं सकता. He wants to see my face all the time.
Nice. Very well segued. I hope that is not part of the podcast. Jesus. What are you saying?
डालूंगी मैं.
Okay, cool.
क्लाप के बाद हमने जो बोला है वो सब आएगा, ठीक है?
What? Everything? Every single detail?
तेरे को जो करना है तो कर.
Okay.
मैं
मेरे को
खुली
जो करना है मैं करूँ. What? तू खुली किताब है. What are you saying, man? What are you saying? Where is this conversation going?
I mean, my things about me is all over, but okay, fine.
All over? What? Oh
अरे
my
भगवान.
god.
क्या हम
Sukriti,
ये podcast
control
शुरू
yourself.
करें?
What the hell? Just because you left your house to go to your studio doesn't mean you behave like this, Sukriti. What the hell?
Okay, fine. Let's just begin with the podcast.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, bye. Okay. Shh, Sukriti, calm. Okay.
Yeah, calm Sukriti.
So, hi guys, welcome to a new episode. आज हमारे साथ है राव. एंड राव, तेरा नाम वैसे इंटरनेट पे है क्या?
मेरा फुल नेम नहीं है. I think some of my friends know my name. मेरा नाम है गौरव.
Okay, but
गौरव.
oh,
Oh, she's like I am gonna introduce him. No. I will do that. Don't worry. मेरा नाम है गौरव. ठीक है, इससे पहले तू कुछ और बोल देती.
okay. ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना मेरा कैमरा. एक सेकंड.
Wow.
Yes, मेरा कैमरा रिकॉर्ड हो.
Is this also going to be part of the podcast where you just Oh.
Yes, everything.
Okay, great,
तो मेरे को
great.
चुप हो जा. ठीक है.
Okay, go on.
यार ये पॉडकास्ट. ओके, सो मैं हंसना रुक नहीं पा रही हूँ बिकॉज मैंने इससे पूछा था दैट वी गोना डू अ पॉडकास्ट एंड आई हैड नो आइडिया हम करेंगे क्या. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट गोना. एंड ये बिकॉज पास्ट फ्यू पॉडकास्ट, फ्यू क्या यार, थोड़े से ही करे हैं अभी तक.
हाँ.
अभी तक 5-6 आए होंगे
New in the
And वो
game.
सारे बहुत. तो अभी तक जितने पॉडकास्ट आए हैं ना उसमें बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस हूँ और मैं एकदम ऐसे एकदम अच्छे से बात कर रही हूँ गुड गर्ल की तरह. अब मैं कहा यहाँ पे हम
Good girl नहीं बनेंगे. I'm leaving the podcast right now. What the hell?
हाँ, तो हम यहाँ गुड गर्ल नहीं हूँ ना मैं.
Okay, what are you here?
You know it.
I don't and I don't want to. Okay?
So okay, fine. Let's introduce you.
Yeah.
मैं तेरे okay, so I'll tell you guys मेरा first impression इसके बारे में क्या था. मैं वही introduction देने वाली हूँ.
Right.
मेरे को किसी 2-3 लोगों ने बताया था that this guy used to make videos in 2016-2017. I was like okay fine, देखते हैं कौन है ये. तो और मैंने देखा इसके चैनल पे कुछ था ही नहीं. मैंने कहा ओह वाओ.
No, guys, what she means is कि मेरे चैनल में वीडियोस नहीं थे. She doesn't mean कि उसके चैनल में वीडियोस थे और उन वीडियोस में कुछ नहीं था substance. That is what she means. Okay? I'm just saying. She has seen some of my videos. Why don't you tell them about my videos?
ओह या, फिर मैंने इसको बहुत बोला कि मेरे को दिखा, मेरे को वीडियोस देखने में जिद्दी हो गई. इसलिए मैंने कहा नहीं, आई वांट टू सी. तो ऐसे ही कभी ना कभी डिस्कॉर्ड पे मेरे को ऐसे दिखाता रहता था सम रियली गुड वीडियोस. आई स्टिल हैवंट सीन द
You know, people can just
जो भी तू
people
बनाता
can
था.
take that entire segment of you saying वो मेरे को कभी कभी दिखाता रहता था Discord में कभी कभी. They can completely take it out of context given the introduction that we have had and it's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna lose my job because of that. Okay, continue.
ओह वाओ, मेरे को मजा आ गया.
Okay, cool. Go on.
ये भी आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट. यस.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh my god. Sukriti, just to confirm, how old are you? You're 21, right? I'm safe, nah. There's no legal binding. I'm gonna go to jail. This is a consensual, discourse. Consensual discourse on Discord. Cool. Go on.
तो मेरी शक्ल देख सकता है ना?
राइट राइट आई
कि मैं
कैन.
क्या कर रही हूँ. ओह फक यार, तो सब देख सकता है यार. शिट.
मैं सब नहीं देख सकता एंड दैट इज हाउ आई वांट टू कीप इट. व्हाट द हेल. गो ऑन.
अरे तू देख सकता है मैं कैमरे पे क्या कर रही हूँ. ओके एनीवे,
राइट.
क्या बात कर रहे थे हम? हाँ, कंटेंट. तो मैंने इसका कंटेंट देखा. आई मीन कंटेंट मैंने थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे देखा, बट मैंने इसका चैनल देखा. मैंने कहा कुछ था ही नहीं उस पे, वीडियोज ही नहीं थे. फिर मैंने इससे पूछा क्या सीन है, तो ये इसने मुझे बोला मैंने एक चैनल बनाया है मोराव करके. मैंने वो जाके देखा. मैंने कहा अच्छा, बट यार मेरे को वो नहीं दिख रहा जो लोगों ने इतना बता रखा है इसके बारे में मुझे. लाइक आई गॉट टू नो, बट सो मेनी पीपल टोल्ड मी कि यार इसका देख, कंटेंट देख. मैंने कहा कहाँ से देखूं, कुछ है ही नहीं. अगर मैं बोलती थी मैं नहीं जानती इसको, लाइक तू उसको जानती नहीं, तू 2017 में क्रिएटर थी, तू इसको नहीं जानती. I'm like sorry यार, नहीं जानती.
Who said this?
मम्मा.
Can you take names? Who said this?
मैं तेरे को बता तो रखा है यार.
You can tell the audience also, na? Who are these people who are avid followers of my old channel? Because I don't see anybody.
नहीं, those people are also doing commentary now.
Right.
That's just a hint.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. तो हाँ, तो ऐसा सीन था. फिर मैंने इससे बात की. मैं कहा यार तो सही बंदा है यार, और बातें करते हैं इससे.
Right.
That's it. तो यही सीन था.
By और बातें करते हैं इससे, what does that mean? Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
और बातें करते हैं मतलब सही लड़का सही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है हमें. हाँ, मतलब ऐसे एकदम संस्कारी गुड बॉय.
अच्छा, okay, nice. What she means is और बातें करते का मतलब ये है कि सुकृति calls me every day at 11 o'clock sharp at 11 o'clock. आता है सुकृति का कॉल straight up. No doubt.
कुछ heads up नहीं.
No heads up. सीधा कॉल. मैं बैठ के आराम से अपना खाना बना रहा हूँ. I'm trying to have my dinner, trying to watch this one series, and Sukriti Grover obviously calling. That's great. Even though I don't mind it, absolutely not, because Sukriti, let's be honest guys, she's very very entertaining, right? Okay. और बताइए please.
हाँ, तो ऐसा सीन था. Now I want you to introduce yourself, क्योंकि मेरे को तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन था और मेरा करंट इम्प्रेशन यही है कि ये लौंडा मस्त है. बस, that's it.
Okay, nice.
Now you introduce yourself. Your turn.
I thought I would introduce you. Okay, but I'll introduce myself. Cool. Okay, so my name is Rav. My name is Rav on the internet. I have two channels. One is called More Rav and the other one is called Rav Gameplays. Rav Gameplays mein I play the games which are kind of nostalgic to me, which I had played when I was a kid. And in More Rav I just do whatever I feel like. Okay, whatever kind of videos I feel like, vlogging, and I'm trying to like come up with something vlogging and commentary, a mixture of that, which we have discussed both of us. Uske alawa, what else do I do? Do you want to know about like what I do personally in real life? What do I do?
What are you doing? अच्छा, अब जब छोड़ा था YouTube और अब तक का क्या, what is the thing?
So
क्या scene है?
So I finished college. After I left my channel, my old channel, I finished college. I got my masters and I've been working professionally as a software engineer for the last 2 years in Hyderabad. So I'm based out of Hyderabad. Yep, that is my introduction. Very very clean introduction. Please sir, job offer दे दीजिए please.
So I was saying content की बात पे आते हैं अब.
Okay.
तो पहले exactly तेरा content क्या था?
जब 2016 में I started. Actually,
when you started.
When I started the old channel, I started it in 2015. Okay, and I was making Minecraft videos. Okay. Obviously nobody was watching. It's a very funny story actually. I was in college, I was in 3rd year, okay? And I was making Minecraft videos and I was recording them using my old dusty laptop, right? Which is like, I think it was already 4 years old, a Windows PC, an HP ka Windows PC. It was 4 years old. And I was trying to like figure out how I can make content using this, right? And Minecraft videos I used to make because I used to love Minecraft, the game itself, okay? And obviously there are hardly any views, 20 views, 10 views, okay? अभी भी वही है, अभी भी count ऐसा ही है, I think.
Story of my life.
But here's the funny part. उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं कर रहे थे YouTube 2015 में. Gamers में उतने तो gamers थे नहीं first of all, and जो gamers थे they were not playing, none of them were playing Minecraft. I used to record, obviously daytime I could not record, right? It's a very funny story. I have not told this to anyone, I think. Daytime I could not record, and I was in a hostel, right? Boys hostel, and रात में मैं record करता था after like 2 o'clock. Okay, and it's a gameplay, right? So I had a microphone. I had purchased this blue snowball ice, and I would record, but I would generally be very loud. Okay, and रात and hostel life में ऐसा तो सबको पता है कि कोई सोता नहीं है रात को, ठीक है? So sometimes my wingmates would walk around in the corridor, and one of my close friends noticed कि अरे गौरव के रूम से आवाज़ आ रही है रात के 2 बजे, किससे बात कर रहा है ये? Okay, so next day they observed that together, like सबके सब मेरे रूम के बाहर खड़े हो गए. This what they told me. Okay, मेरे रूम के बाहर खड़े हो गए, and they are listening to me do my commentary, my gameplay commentary in Minecraft, right? And I was an idiot. We had great internet access in college, ठीक है? And we had a LAN connection. So
वो क्या होता है?
It's a Ethernet connection. Instead of wireless, it's an Ethernet connection. Cable होता है proper.
अच्छा,
ठीक है?
ओके गॉट इट, ठीक है.
तो उसमें basically पूरा entire college का जो intranet है, it is all network together. सारे के सारे systems जो हैं, they have a shared folder which is accessible to other systems. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो me being an idiot, I put all my Minecraft के raw videos, gameplay footage in that shared folder. Because space है ना, तो I'll just put it there. Who cares? Nobody's gonna find it anyway. Okay. One of these days, one of my friends accessed that shared folder and he copied all the footage. रात के 10 बज रहे हैं, मैं ऐसे मेरा कॉरिडोर बहुत शांत पड़ा है, मेरे विंग का जो कॉरिडोर है बहुत शांत पड़ा है. लाइक व्हाट द हेल, इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? सब लोग यूजुअली बाहर होते हैं, बात कर रहे होते हैं, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? एंड एवरीबॉडीज रूम इज मोस्टली ओपन. वन रूम इज क्लोज्ड, एवरीबडी एल्स रूम इज ओपन. लाइक वेयर इज एवरीबडी? मुझे छोड़ के चले गए क्या हुआ क्या? एंड आई पास दैट रूम, दैट क्लोज्ड रूम जहाँ पे लाइट जल रही है, ठीक है? एंड आई हियर माई ओन वॉइस फ्रॉम दैट रूम. ओके, and that moment was like very shocking for me because I was like, oh no, मेरा तो भांडा फूट गया, what the hell. I started banging at the door कि सालो डोर खोलो, अभी के अभी डोर खोलो, ठीक है? And then I realized कि the mistake I made कि मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि डोर खोलो. I should have just walked away and pretended that it does not exist, this did not happen, ठीक है? They opened the door and मेरे 11 के 11 wingmates सारे अंदर रूम के एक छोटे से कमरे के अंदर पूरा चक्कर मार के बैठे हुए हैं और मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हैं. They're literally making a face and looking at me like this, smiling at me. And the moment the door opened, I realized कि मैं जो चिल्ला के बोल रहा था कि डोर खोलो, उससे कुछ पॉइंट नहीं था कि I now have to answer them what is going on. ठीक है? Like ठीक है, ये सिनेरियो है. Okay, cool. So I walked in and मेरी आवाज़ immediately change हो गई. It went from सालो डोर खोलो to hi guys, what's up? तो लाइक बैठ अंदर आ गौरव, बैठ इधर कोने में बैठ. मुझे कोने में बिठाए, बेड पे भी नहीं बिठाए, कोने में बिठाए रूम के, ठीक है? और दोस्त का मॉनिटर था बड़ा सा, ठीक है? उसमें दे स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग माय गेम प्ले एंड दे वेर लाफिंग हिस्टेरिकली. लाइक भाई पागलों की तरह सब लोग हंस रहे थे. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई, इनिशियली आई वाज लाइक अ बिट एम्बैरेस्ड कि अरे यार दे फाउंड आउट आई डिडंट वांट दिस because I wanted to keep things anonymous or whatever. And then I was like, अरे यार ये तो हंस रहे हैं, तो इतना भी शायद बुरा नहीं होगा maybe. So I continued a bit of gameplay.
तो तब अपलोड करना चालू किया था क्या?
I had just started uploading. I was uploading like I think once a month. I felt like uploading. That kind of a scenario. And then I started 2016 में, around the same time when Carrie was making roasting videos, I also started making roasting videos. The idea was, so obviously I took elements from his roasting videos, which most people did at that point of time, and I have no shame in admitting that. But I also did a few other things, like I tried ranting, which people were not doing. Okay. About any topic, any political situation, socio-economic situation, I just wanted to rant of what is happening on the internet. And I had a series for that called Angry Silly Me. Right, you haven't watched that. I haven't shown.
Angry what?
Angry Silly Me. I haven't shown you that.
Oh.
Okay.
नहीं.
Maybe I'll show you that and you can guess. That was actually very successful and I was really proud of it. It was fun to make as well as watch. And बहुत fast paced commentary था एक तरह से वो, ठीक है? Why are you laughing?
नहीं, मेरे को खांसी आने लगी, फिर मेरे को हंसी भी आ गई तो
ओह नाइस नाइस. जस्ट खांसी आ रही है, कोरोना तो नहीं है? व्हाट द हेल. तो टेस्ट का हेल. तो टेस्ट का
अरे
हेल.
मैंने अभी मैंने इसको बोला कि मेरे को बहुत खांसी सी हो रही है, तो तब से ये कि
मुझे नहीं बोला तूने, मैं बोला था तुझे मुझे खांसी हो रही है.
क्या बोल रहा है. मैंने बोला व्हेन यू, नहीं छोड़ यार, वो फिर हमारा वो वाला गंदा वाला जोक आ जाएगा.
ओके, गंदा वाला जोक. एज इफ वी हैव. वाओ.
दिस इज अ संस्कारी podcast.
Yes, that is what the 10 minutes of the initial 10 minutes of the podcast states clearly. That is such a sanskari podcast. Sanskar. Sans and car. दोनों में gap है बहुत बड़ा. It's a big gap. Jesus. हाँ, okay.
Oh God.
So that happened, and I got my first 1,000 subscribers within the first month. Very steep growth, and I had made like 3 videos. And I think the first 2 were not even roasts. They were just me ranting. And after that,
टॉपिक्स क्या थे
the first one was just about internet, whatever is happening on the internet. Okay. I think the second one was a particular prank video pe commentary, and the third one was on this one particular YouTuber named Pardesi Girl. Okay. That was there. No wonder. And the funny thing was, Pardesi Girl actually replied at that point of time to my videos.
हाँ, वो सबको करती थी यार.
Right?
जो उसके अराउंड वीडियो बनाता था. Yes, मैंने खुद I knew her.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Sukriti Grover knows everyone, by the way, guys. She knows anyone.
मतलब मैं जिसको DM करती हूँ मुझे रिप्लाई आ जाता है.
She is going to be the Karan Johar of YouTube, and one of never mind. Too far, too soon. Twitter is blowing up. Jesus.
Not Karan Johar, anybody but
Karan Johar has not had a great relationship with engineers. What the hell? If history
with
engineers, if
no, I'm not Karan Johar at all then.
That's all, guys. Nice. And uske baad what happened was, I was at a point in my life where I did not like roasting. Okay. I did not enjoy like calling out or making fun of people, which basically what roasting is. It is making fun of people regardless of whether you want to call it anything else. Okay. And roasting usually, मैं थोड़ा पढ़ने लगा what is where it comes from. Like it comes from a place of consent usually. Of course, Carrie doesn't do that, and that's fine. That is not a problem. But like I just felt like it was not my place to do it, and unfortunately, when I had like figured out कि हाँ I'll probably change my content up, one of my videos just went viral. Sukriti is yawning. She is so bored out of this conversation. She's like, okay.
नहीं.
No?
यार 1:30 AM हो रहा है guys. ठीक है.
1:30
तो
AM.
मेरे को this is my time.
Yeah, what is this? Whose idea was it to record at 1:30 AM? Yours, really. Well,
मैंने 11 बजे बोला था guys. 11:30. और ये लेट हुआ है, ठीक है. Not my fault.
That is true. Actually, I was not late. I was there at 11:30. We just started the podcast late. Okay. And okay, I'll take the blame for it. It's fine. तो ये हुआ. And all of a sudden, when I was like about to quit making those kind of videos, one of my videos went viral. And like it's like viral. Like,
क्या वीडियो था वो?
It was a video on Hero Alom. and it went like viral. I'll tell you how viral. Like it was बांग्लादेश में लोग मुझे गाली दे रहे, that kind of viral, ठीक है. Like that kind of a scenario. And
okay, कितने views कितने थे?
5.5 million.
अरे बहस की.
So yeah, that happened. मेरे 27th December को it went viral, and I still remember one of my friends, Hooder, who is one of the OGs from that time, okay, and still makes videos right now. He called me up and he said, dude, did you know that your subscriber count is growing faster than PewDiePie's subscriber count? I'm like, what are you saying? Wow. But then I checked my channel and I opened it up. It was at 10,000. 1 hour later, it was at 30,000. And it was just blowing up. No.
Oh my God.
No stop at all. Okay. And I was like, okay, great. This is great. I'll make a video. I made another video where I was addressing something about school life. Okay, it was a rant on school life basically, or movie theater, something like that. And I also mentioned कि one of our videos went viral, right? I noticed कि comment section में बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो बोल रहे हैं कि they want videos very regularly. Now here I am in my final year of college and I was supposed to finish my masters. Okay, मैं computer science का student था. I was supposed to finish my masters thesis, and for that I had to do a little bit of research work and I had to like publish papers, right? And
मतलब
so-
बहुत सारा काम.
so I had to choose कि मेरी priority क्या होने वाली है. And I really figured out कि I'm already not enjoying what content I'm making, and they want that kind of content itself. So why not choose something else? So I had that choice to finish college first. So I was like, okay, fine, YouTube तो होता रहेगा. I'll just finish college first, get that foundation built first. So that happened, and I built that, got placed the same year. I've been very lucky actually. Got placed campus placement the same year, and yeah, I've been working
और फिर
since then.
सोचा कि अब YouTube छोड़ देते हैं.
No, I actually made videos. I did try to make videos on that main channel. I was making vlogs. I was making content which I actually wanted to make, but the audience was the kind of audience which did not like those videos because it is not their fault also. They came from roasting videos, right? They subscribe for roasting videos. They did not expect this kind of content. And so ऐसा एक basically there was a big dilemma at that point of time कि what do I do? Do I just make content which the audience wants, or do I do something which I want to do? And I really asked myself कि do I want to like make roasting videos? Do I want to like do this? Because I was good at it, okay? Being very honest, I was for some reason
I
good at it.
still haven't seen your roasting videos.
That's
तूने
fine.
मुझे सब कुछ सारे वीडियोस दिखा दिए. मैं बोला सब कुछ दिखा दिया.
Right.
रोस्ट. सारे वीडियो.
Okay, I'll show you at one point of time.
चलो ठीक.
And,
After this podcast.
Cool. I did that, and मुझे choose करना था, and I decided कि I don't like it, regardless of whether I was decent at it or not. I don't like it, and I felt that it is not gonna last for a very long time. So मैंने decide कर लिया कि ठीक है, whatever, I will figure out my own stuff, and I started making my own videos on things that I wanted to do, like vlogs, something story based, right? At that point, that was the point where I was like figuring out कि मुझे क्या बनाना है YouTube पे. I'm still doing that in my More Rav channel. That is what I'm trying to do. ठीक है? And that happened. उसके बाद I saw कि when I was uploading my vlogs, I was always getting losing subscribers, right? So that was very deep.
अच्छा काउंट क्या था और अब क्या हो गया?
I think it was at 47. Now it is at 44, I think.
Oh.
Right. तो 47k से 4k अभी हो गया है. धीरे धीरे it is declining, but every time I would upload a vlogging video or anything, I would lose subscribers. So that was very demoralizing in a way. There were people who would love the videos. There were no dislikes, fortunately, but I was just losing subscribers. So I just left YouTube.
और views कितने आते थे?
I would get like 1500, 1000, 2000 views, and obviously diminish होते रहे as irregularly I used to upload then. उसके बाद हुआ ये कि I think I left YouTube for a while, almost a year, and after that, very recently, I started uploading on my More Rav channel. I had decided कि I'm gonna close the Rav channel. I had like one of my friends, YouTube colleagues, who is now completely blown up, Okus, which people know about, maybe Papa Okus, right? He reached out to me, and he said because उस time पे 2018 में और 17 में Okus and me had started a podcast together in my More Rav channel. Okay. So that is when it started, and we couldn't continue it because I didn't feel like doing videos anymore. Okay, because of whatever the reasons were in my main channel. I decided कि ठीक है, and I will close this down, whatever. But More Rav वाला channel था, and Okus reached out to me very recently, around 3-4 months back, when I was in a very bad place in my life, and he said that, dude, let's start a podcast together, you and me, just you and me. We will start a podcast together.
Yeah.
So that's what
पहले
we.
किसके साथ था? पहले भी तो तुम लोग का ही था.
नहीं पहले it was just my podcast on my channel.
अच्छा, okay, just
Okay.
your podcast.
Right, and I would get Ocus, the first guest. I had other friends who I
Okay.
got in
Acha,
as well.
acha, acha.
But I had like 3 or 4 episodes and I stopped after that. Right. But then this time I was like, okay, cool. I'll keep myself busy at least. So, yeah. Then Ocus and I started. Person behind the persona. You guys must have seen that if you have, that is. And
So
that
technically you have 3 channels right now.
technically I have a stake in one and I have 2 channels. Yeah.
Okay.
That would be a good way of putting it. So I have 2 channels. One is More Rav, where I am uploading videos which I want to upload, and the other one is Rav Gameplays, in which also I'm uploading videos which I want to upload. So I'm happy where I am, man, and I'm also in PVTB where I get to talk about whatever I feel like, and it's a good. Unfortunately, people are starting to like things for me. I have not many high expectations कि भाई मेरे 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएं, 2000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएं. I have no expectations of that kind. अभी mostly ऐसा है कि I just want to like make content. I just want to make content so that I can improve and I can like be able to better equip myself to tell stories, because that is what I want to do as an end goal. Yeah, subscribers, views, I have like gotten over that a while back. So that's that. Okay, it was a very
Wow,
long. It was a
too
very
serious.
so serious and long introduction. My God.
Wow. नहीं, तूने मेरे सारे questions का आंसर कर ही दिए. So I'm like,
Really?
wow.
She didn't let. I didn't let her ask a single question. I answered everything by myself.
Exactly.
What if
बताती हूँ questions
wait,
क्या?
what if Sukriti actually I was the one who asked everybody else to ask you those questions, and I was like, हाँ ठीक है, यही answer कर देता हूँ directly. What if? Because I'm sure everybody who asked you questions about me, they know me, right? I'm sure.
Yeah.
You do, right? What if? What
Ah,
if?
of course.
Should we get somebody who works on and figures out these How about we do that? No? Yes? No? Okay, cool. कट गया.
कट गया.
यार, what the hell, Sukriti?
नहीं सब आएगा.
No
जो
fun.
clap के बाद जो हुआ है सब आएगा.
No freaking fun.
नो फिल्टर्स, क्योंकि मेरे को एडिट में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाना, तो मेरे को क्लैप के बाद जो भी होगा सब आएगा.
सब नहीं आएगा. At least cut some parts. I hope you'll cut some parts, silences and stuff.
I'll
Please.
see if I want to.
Okay, what? मैडम आपका चैनल मैम जो करना है करिए प्लीज.
एक सेकेंड.
Wow.
एक सेकेंड.
No.
मेरा कैमरा
Jesus.
तो देख रहा है प्रोफेशनलिज्म की हदें. चलो जहाँ तक भी हुआ, आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते, वो आगे का रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. I'll do something edit.
But I think what you can do,
pro.
what you can do at that point of time is मेरा recording हो रहा है ना वीडियो,
हाँ.
तो you can just put my entire face in the
Yeah.
and remove yours completely. मेरा full screen
I
कर
would
दियो.
do something.
Full screen कर दियो. That would work.
हाँ, क्योंकि ज्यादा तो तू ही बोल रहा था. Anyway.
That is true. It's not like Sukriti Grover is adding any value to her own podcast. What the hell?
Now, चलो अब हमने बहुत ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग बातें कर ली. चल एक और चैनल रिलेटेड
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें नहीं की हमने. We talked about my introduction.
वेरी लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन गाइस. सो अभी हम बात करेंगे, लाइक दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन चैनल के अराउंड, फिर हम बकचोदी करेंगे.
Okay.
व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स अभी चैनल को लेकर, दोनों या फॉर दैट मैटर तीनों चैनल्स को लेकर क्या वो है?
Person behind the persona is gonna work just the way it is working. It is doing great.
So when are you inviting me?
I am not in the authority to do that. Sorry.
Oh shit, मुझे पहले
it
Ocus
is
को दोस्त बनाना पड़ेगा.
I can introduce you to Ocus, but the decision has to be a joint decision. So if Ocus says yes, of course I will say yes. If I say yes and Ocus says no, then it's not
देखो
happening.
तुम्हारे पॉडकास्ट में अभी तक कोई लड़की आई नहीं है.
That is true.
और मेरे जैसे तो मेरे जैसा कोई इंसान नहीं आया है.
That is true. What should we do?
देख रहे हो, मतलब मैं इतनी कूल हूँ, मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ. एनीवे,
is this a way for you to make sure that कि हाँ राव ने बोल दिया yes, तो अब वीडियो जा चुका है, अब तो राव अपने बाप का नहीं तो अपने बाप का नहीं. नाइस यार. ये यूज करेंगे हम एज अ टैक्टिक. That's why
No, I am just saying. Oh shit, मेरी chair पीछे जा रही है.
I'm just lobbying. I'm not saying anything. I'm just trying to lobby you to
Yeah.
get me to the podcast.
I'm just letting you know कि
हाँ.
you can have me anytime. मैं कभी भी कहीं भी पहुंच जाती हूँ.
Right. I think I blurred my face. I did. Yeah. Wait.
Why?
Yeah, nah, that's
your,
alright.
your face is so pretty.
Okay, stop. Continue. I mean, continue the discussion, not the face compliment. Continue the discussion. Yes.
Okay. हाँ, future plans. So.
Yes. तेरे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. Nice. Wow.
नहीं, I was saying something. I mean, you were saying something. फिर मैंने बीच में cut कर दिया. I'm such a nice host, guys.
She is an amazing host. Don't worry, you'll catch up. It's fine. You have to just do a lot of podcasts and get used to it. Person behind the persona will go on as it is. We are trying to basically get everyone who is a fresh creator, who has a substantial growth very recently, and who's getting, like, who has something which other people
Some
don't have to
views.
offer. No, not exactly views. Something which other people don't have to offer. Because we don't mind getting someone who's like at 2,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers. Dude, I am one of the co-hosts. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers on both of my channels. So one of my channels has like 600 subscribers. The other one has less than 200. So I don't think that is the case. If you have something which you want like people to know about, if you're a fun person to be around, will definitely get you in the podcast. So that is basically it for PBTV. Anything else you want to talk about the other channels?
Gameplay one and the more of.
So Mora wala actually is.
मैंने बता तो दिया वैसे.
हाँ बता तो दिया मैंने. Basically I want to do whatever I feel like, whatever kind of content I feel like. And for gameplay one, I just want to play games which I like to play, not games which are trending, right?
Okay.
So that
मेरे
is
साथ तो मेरे साथ अलग हिसाब है. जो मेरे डिवाइसेस में चल जाए गेम मैं वो खेलती हूँ. मैं for those who don't know, I also have a gaming channel. ठीक है.
right. But I think gameplay wise channel में it's not like I don't want to play trending games. I want to be very selective about the trending games that I play. जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है या फिर which I really don't resonate with, I don't want to play them because I will not enjoy playing those games. मैं एक बहुत different kind of games खेलता हूँ.
हाँ, जैसे मुझे तो PUBG में बहुत मजा आता है.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता मजा.
I used to play Counter Strike पहले, तो मुझे PUBG खेलने में भी eventually मजा आया.
I don't like PUBG as much. मुझे Apex बहुत पसंद था. At one point of time I used to play a lot of Apex. First person shooter मैं कम prefer करता हूँ खेलना. I like more strategy games, I guess. But yeah, and that is it for the 3 channels. बताइए.
Wow. तो क्या आप 4th चैनल मेरे साथ खोलना चाहेंगे?
What would be the channel about?
I don't know. ऐसे ही बोल दिया मैंने तो.
Nice.
मेरे को पता मान भी जाएगा ये.
Wow. But what would be the what if we start a channel? What would it be about?
Okay.
क्या?
Yeah, interesting. Oh yes.
What girls
Man,
want?
जैसे-
What girls want from guys and what guys want from girls? That is what it will be the entire discussion about. It is actually a great idea. Why is nobody doing this? They should do that.
कर रहा होगा, कोई ना कोई कर रहा होगा कि cringe तरीके से, ठीक है?
A podcast on promiscuity in among young adults. क्या?
वाह, अरे मैं क्या बोल रही? I was saying something, मैं फिर भूल गई. हाँ, I was saying कि जैसे हम उस दिन बात कर रहे थे like vlog squad के बारे में. मैंने कहा मैं तेरे साथ बनाऊंगी vlog squad, तो टेंशन ना ले.
What will I be in the vlog squad? What will I be? Like which character will I
जो
play?
बनना है बन. मुझे नाम वाम नहीं पता. मैंने कभी कभी देखा है थोड़ा बहुत.
Nice.
And I'm like, मैं यार किसी को एकदम डेडिकेटेडली फॉलो नहीं करती. अच्छा, who do you follow डेडिकेटेडली एकदम? YouTube.
What in vlog squad?
Vlogs नहीं, in general videos. किस
Oh,
के you watch very.
Of course I follow all these new creators on YouTube. I follow Okus,
Sukriti Grover.
Sukriti Grover, Who Cares, Sunrabi, Rishu. Who else is there among the new creators, fresh creators? Jayesh.
इनमें से कोई भी मेरे चैनल पे आना चाहता है, आप आ सकते हो. हम एक पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं.
Right. Vedant. Who else? I'm forgetting somebody. This guy. He's one of your friends. Jugs. Aapka Jugs. Aapka Jags. I don't know what it's called. Jugs or Jags. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Who else?
One of my favorite creators is actually this guy, this vlogging superstar. His name is Irfan Junejo. He's my
अरे
guruji.
भगवान.
Bhagwan.
Exactly.
And who else? Foreign
You
YouTubers
watch
mein?
Muro?
No, I don't watch Muro, but I've heard of him.
Okay.
And I've heard that he has an amazing storytelling
Click for
method
Taz.
also.
I love Click for Taz.
You had mentioned Click for Taz. I had watched one of her videos. I understand like why she's great or whatever, but like not my
I like
cup of tea.
her. I don't know. I like her personality a lot.
Okay. Why is that?
It is very Sukriti.
Nice. How the least narcissistic statement I've ever heard in my life. I like her personality a lot. She's like me. Wow. Amazing.
हाँ.
You're not very you're very similar to this one friend of mine. Have you heard of him? Papa Okus. He's also like that. He's also a little bit of a tad bit of he likes himself a lot. Let's just say that.
यार अब मेरे
I'm
को
just
लगता है
kidding.
मुझे
Okus is
उसको
amazing.
पॉडकास्ट पे जाना पड़ेगा. आधे पॉडकास्ट में मैं अपनी अपनी तारीफ कर रहे होंगे बस.
That would be great. That would be great. It would be a good circle jerk. Just kidding. I had not what it would be, but that is. And Bahar, actually, I follow very few creators, and I used to follow them a lot. 2017, 2016, में, but I stopped watching most of them. One or two I watch still, but mostly बाहर के creators मैंने बंद कर दिया देखना. I mostly watch TMG. It's a great podcast if you guys want to go and watch it. Tiny Meat Gang. Okay. And Sneeko. I also watch Sneeko. He's also fun.
ये सुना है मैंने कहीं पे. I
Right.
think मेरे को किसी friend ने बताया था. Somebody told me about this.
Yeah.
मैं कभी देखा
I've been
नहीं.
watching Sneeko since I think 2015. Yeah.
कौन है? एक सेकंड I'll see. कौन है ये बंदा?
Right. In the middle of the podcast, he's gonna check out Sneeko. Nice. Nice. Well done, guys. We have a lot of time, clearly.
अच्छा नहीं. एक सेकंड. Now यार मैं थोड़ी वो हो गई. Curious. Okay. अच्छा. I'll check him out. Anyway. So हाँ मैं क्या
I'm
बोल
sure.
रही हूँ?
I'm
Okay.
sure. I'm sure you will check him out. He's very good looking. What do you mean? And he has a French girlfriend, by the way. French.
राफ हम कब मिल रहे हैं?
What do you mean? Whoa. Whoa. What a segue that was. We cannot meet now, Sukriti. Control your emotions. Coronavirus. What the hell? सोच मेरे लंग्स का क्या होगा? सोच तो अपने लंग्स को संभाल. तू तो फिर भी तू तो
दर्द हो रही है.
सी तू तो ऑलरेडी दिल्ली से है, तो योर लंग्स आर ऑलरेडी स्ट्रांग. दे आर अडेप्टेड टू कोरोना वायरस. पर मेरे लंग्स का क्या होगा यार?
Wow.
सोच.
वाओ. ओके. नहीं मैंने इसलिए बोला कि अगर उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है तो फिर मैं उसको क्यों देखूं? देन आई विल सी यू.
So you only watch people who are single, huh?
या.
Oh.
क्यों?
Is that why?
अच्छा
is
बाय द
that-
वे क्या
हाँ.
क्या?
Is that why you
बोल
don't like?
नहीं तो बोल.
Is that why you don't like Okus? Because he's not single.
I don't like you.
You don't like? You like Okus? So you like Okus? What are you trying to say?
I mean यार ये कैसा सवाल है?
See, guys. Usually, Sukriti asks these kinds of questions to everybody else. But now I am just giving it back to her. These are questions everybody asks. I'm gonna ask a question. Should I throw out a few more names, Sukriti? Because you'll definitely include them in the podcast because that is what is getting the laughs. So, should I take a few more names?
चलो
We have-
नहीं बोलिए.
We have few
बोलिए
mutual
आप.
other friends. No, I would not. अब तूने बोल दिया तो नहीं
हाँ?
बोलूंगा. अब तूने बोल दिया तो नहीं बोलूंगा. Never mind.
ओके फाइन. अच्छा फीमेल अटेंशन आपको वैसे मिल तो रही होगी काफी.
नहीं. why do people think that I get a lot of female attention?
क्योंकि यू आर अ क्यूटी डियर.
Okay, nice.
यू आर वेरी क्यूट.
Okay. No, man. I don't get as much female attention. Yeah.
हाँ मैं तो हुई नहीं फीमेल है ना.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yes, Sukriti is a female. That is true. Sukriti gives a lot of attention to me. That is true. But for that, you have to give 10 times more attention to her. Otherwise, she will not give you any attention. So it's like a
That is true.
lane-then kind of a scenario. Right?
हाँ कि तुम्हें मेरे को अटेंशन देनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी. अगर मुझे लगता है कोई इंसान इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है then I'm like
So are you? So what are you trying to say? That are you trying to say that I am showing interest?
नहीं मतलब
Then-
बातों में इंटरेस्ट दिखाओ.
अच्छा
At
बातों में
least-
इंटरेस्ट. अच्छा बातों में
हाँ.
ही इंटरेस्ट. अच्छा ओके नाइस यार. मैं तो हर एक के बातों में इंटरेस्ट रखता हूँ. दैट्स फाइन. कूल.
यार शिट यार नहीं मेरे को पता है इसको बहुत फीमेल अटेंशन आती होगी. इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद मेरी 50% ऑडियंस फीमेल है, वो जाने वाली है गाइस. मैं
कहाँ जाए?
इंस्टाग्राम में डाल दूंगी इसका.
वाओ.
Go look out for this
What,
one.
what? But what will they do? Like what will they do? What kind of attention are we talking about? And
अब
Hello, hi.
आजकल की भाषा में
Hello,
आजकल
hi
की
बोलेंगे.
भाषा में कहे तो नहीं आजकल की भाषा में कहे तो आपको सिंपिंग होगी बहुत
नहीं
लड़कियों
ऐसा
से.
नहीं.
हाँ जी.
ऐसा नहीं होता. Okay,
You
cool.
don't know.
Cools. We will see. We will see.
हाँ.
Hmm.
और बताइए राव आपकी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है, हम और क्या गॉसिप कर सकते हैं.
मेरी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है? कुछ नहीं यार, मैं अपना कमरा साफ कर
गिव
रहा
मी
हूँ.
सम कंटेंट डियर, गिव मी सम कंटेंट.
My content. What is content? मैंने बहुत खाना बनाना सीख लिया है इस लॉकडाउन बाय माई सेल्फ. मैं अकेले रहता हूँ ना, सो आई हैव लर्न टू
Okay, bringing rishtas in 3, 2, 1.
bringing rishtas in 3, 2, 1. Where are they? Right swipe, left swipe, right? You know, I had this amazing, like I was thinking last night about something. ठीक है? Like when you reach a certain age, like 27, 28, your parents want you to get married, right? And it's a great deal not to get married, but that idea कि they will bring the offer to you. ठीक है, आओ चूज करो, हियर इज द मेन्यू कार्ड, प्लीज पिक, प्लीज चूज, गो एंड मीट. तो उसी बहाने ऐसे जाके मिलने से पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट भी हो जाती है फ्री में. ठीक है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यू डोंट इवन हैव टू पे फॉर डेट्स. इवन दो आई डोंट माइंड पेइंग फॉर डेट्स, बट लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू पे फॉर डेट्स बिकॉज देन योर फैमिली गिव्स यू मनी कि जाओ बेटा उसको इस रेस्टोरेंट में लेके जाओ, यहाँ पे खाना खाओ. लाइक ग्रेट,
यार
आई एम गेटिंग फ्री मनी आफ्टर लाइक 10 years of working. Sure, why won't I do that? Why wouldn't I do that?
ये चीजें आई थिंक राव के साथ हो रही है. मैं इससे क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा छोटी हूँ ना, इसीलिए आई डोंट नो ऑल ऑफ दिस.
What do you mean? ये मेरे साथ बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ.
था थोड़ा सा.
Oh, अच्छा ऐसा. I wish it happened, man. Getting free money from my dad. Wow. The last time my dad gave me free money was in college. And वो भी just because मेरा उस महीने का टीएशिप नहीं आया था. टीएशिप is basically
वो
teaching
क्या
assistant.
होता है?
So you basically become a teaching assistant in college to get money paid. Of course, fees was paid by my dad, but like otherwise not.
वेरी रैंडम क्वेश्चन.
Yes, but
तूने कितनी बार इस पॉडकास्ट में पानी पिया है?
बहुत बार. You should guys, you should always drink water. I'm gonna drink one more. That's the thing. Everybody tells me, even in PBTV, people keep telling me that. राव कितना पानी
तभी
पिया?
पूछा क्योंकि मैंने whenever I see your podcast, I am always looking at you. Obvious
Right.
reasons.
Okay, nice. That is not wow. I can't believe that I really thought that I would add intellectual value to PBTV. Okay, I didn't know that I was playing the role, instead of playing the role of intellectual value, I was playing the role of eye candy. Wow, this like just went from left to right. What the hell, man? This doesn't make any sense.
Yes, you are an eye candy for me.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So you already know that I won't admit it, so it's fine.
What?
That I'm eye candy. You know why also, I think. So it's fine.
No, I don't.
You don't? That's fine. I'll tell you after the podcast, not during the podcast.
Okay.
It's personal reasons. Yeah.
Talk
Okay.
something.
So I have a question. Sukriti, this discussion about attention. So if any guy gives you attention, you're the happiest person in the world. Is that true? Or not any guy?
No, it's not guy. Anybody in general.
Oh, anybody in
I'm
general?
like, yeah, I love attention.
Nice. Spoken like a true content creator. True YouTuber. YouTube is in my blood, guys.
Yes, guys, that's true.
That is true.
I love attention. Don't you like attention? देखो अच्छा ही लगता, मैं तेको इतना प्यार बरसाती हूँ.
I think
Oh guys, no, I know the answer, no. मैंने कल इसको इतना प्यारा भरा मैसेज लिखा कल, you know, मैंने कहा मेरा ना
That
actually
is-
दिन अच्छा नहीं जा रहा. I will tell you honestly, मेरा I was not in a good mood. मेरा ऐसे मैंने कहा यार मेरा अच्छा नहीं है, किसी और का अच्छा कर देते हैं. मैंने इसको एक प्यारा सा
Aww.
मैसेज लिख दिया क्योंकि यही मेरे DMs में सबसे ऊपर था. मैंने
Right.
लिख दिया. इसका सुबह मैंने देखा मैसेज आया कुछ ऐसा कि व्हाट ऐसा कुछ मैसेज था.
I said lol क्या सुकृति, that's what I said.
हाँ ऐसा कुछ ये मैंने कहा अरे ये क्या था. I was not expecting this.
But what will you
reply.
expect?
मैंने कहा,
Okay, but what kind of reply do you usually expect from
like
that?
okay, thanks,
Okay.
nice, sweet, प्यारा.
But
क्योंकि
I already-
मेरे को लगता है कि you know उससे मेरे को लगता है कि किसी को एक्चुअली अच्छा लगा उस चीज से.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे
Because
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
my day was not very good yesterday.
Right.
मेरा पूरा दिन अच्छा नहीं गया कल. तो I was not मैंने पता वेदांत को भी बोला यार मेरा दिन ही खराब है बहन. हाँ और वो he is like हाँ सुकृति is editing his video. I'm like हाँ ठीक है. तो मैंने कहा यार कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा. फिर मैंने एक DMs में देखा, मैंने I sent you a text.
Right.
और सुबह इसका रिप्लाई आया था ओके क्या सुकृति. मेरे को लगा, क्या ये क्या. आई वाज नॉट मतलब दुनिया का कोई भी रिप्लाई बट नॉट दिस. मैंने कहा ओके.
The thing is, I think you had sent me something before that, something which was very,
हाँ
it was very nice. It's very nice of you.
हाँ. I keep sending lot of nice messages. If you are my friend, be my
Right.
good friend, and I'll keep sending you pyar. That's how it works.
But not all of
Conditions
us.
applied.
But not all of us want to share you with others, Sukriti. What the hell? You can't be friends with everybody, yaar. What the hell?
Yay.
Yes, but I think I don't know, man. Like maybe I haven't told you this, but like, मैं थोड़ा generally when people say nice things, I'm taken a bit like back. When the first time you told me that, I was like, oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. But then I got to know you, right? Properly.
हाँ.
We became good friends. We gelled really well. But उसके बाद I'm like, oh, Sukriti control. It was not like in a bad gesture or anything. I was like, क्या सुकृति क्या भेज रही है. Like that kind of
अच्छा,
thing.
ओह,
Okay.
ओके. मेरे को वो टोन नहीं समझ आया. सो आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा. फिर मैंने
इसीलिए I
कहा,
always-
"Okay, no more प्यार for you."
So that is the tone in which you had sent it. I had just read it like,
हाँ.
okay, no more प्यार for you. Bye. I'm like, okay, nice.
नहीं गुस्से में था वो. No more प्यार for you.
I think that is why people should like start using voice notes. I don't understand why do people still text, man.
हाँ.
You can just send voice notes. It's equally easy, probably faster.
Yeah, true. मैं तो वॉइस नोट से भेजती हूँ लोगों को यार. आई एम टू लेजी.
Yeah, man. And भाई अभी Twitter भी आने वाला है voice. Twitter is gonna have audio tweets. Isn't that amazing?
प्लीज यार नहीं.
It's gonna be amazing.
No.
What are you saying, Sukriti? You get to hear my voice every single day. Just kidding. No, it is not.
Wow, love this feature.
Plug it. I'm also on Twitter, guys. Honestly, I really tried very hard to like pretend to be such a narcissist, and I'm hoping that I was successful in any fashion. But Sukriti, do you think in general, like what do you think in general when we have a conversation? How am I?
You're a nice person. That's it.
That is such a narcissistic thing to ask, by the way.
नहीं,
मैं कैसा हूँ बता दो जरा मुझे
लोगों से
प्लीज.
पूछती हूँ. I ask people कि what was your first impression and what is your current impression. मैं ये सबसे पूछती हूँ. Like literally everybody I meet.
Right.
And मतलब यही होता है, कुछ इतना वो नहीं. तो फिर हाँ तो मेरा भी यही है कि I like to have conversation with you. मतलब you are somebody कि मैं literally 1-2 घंटा निकल जाए मेरे को कॉल काटने का तभी मन नहीं करेगा. देयर आर पीपल कि मैं उनसे बात करती हूँ, मैं 10 मिनट में हम लाइक शिट यार मैं कॉल कैसे कट करूँ, क्या बोलूँ इसको, मैं वॉशरूम के बहाने से कट.
Just cut it. You just cut the call. As simple
नो
as
आई
that.
कैन नॉट डू दैट. मेरे को
Why?
रूड लगता है ना.
No,
Like
it's very simple.
आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू
Right.
एंड फिर एकदम से यू नो अब नाउ आई डोंट, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन चली जा रही है बट आई डोंट वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन. उस बंदे को इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है.
बहुत
Getting
सिंपल
my
है.
point.
बहुत सिंपल है. Which phone do you have?
आईफोन.
You have an iPhone. Just tell them
Yeah.
बैटरी खत्म हो गई. As simple as that. Dude, बैटरी खत्म हो गई and they will be like तो क्या हुआ, चार्ज कर लेती और फटाफट से कॉल करती मुझे. लाइक बैटरी खत्म हो गई, करंट भी चला गया, कोरोना चल रहा है, दिमाग खराब ना कर, बाय. बस खत्म. Why not? देख dude, I talked about करंट चला गया. मेरा यहाँ पे लाइट चला गया. What the hell? लाइट चला गया. नाइस यार. हाँ लाइट चला गया यहाँ पे मेरा.
तो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है बट लाइक मेरा जो की लाइट है वो ऑफ हो गया, उसका बैटरी खत्म हो गया.
अच्छा, ओ दैट योर वो लाइट सेटअप जो है.
या
ओके, इट्स
Yeah.
ओके, आई स्टिल लाइक योर फेस.
बट यू आर नॉट सीइंग माय फेस राइट नाउ. व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
हाँ यार, यही दिक्कत है गाइस. ही कैन नॉट सी माय फेस. आई मीन ही कैन सी माय फेस बट आई कैन नॉट सी हिज फेस अभी.
ओके कूल नाइस. व्हाट एल्स?
एटलीस्ट कोई तो सर्वाइव कर रहा है ना यहाँ पे.
नाइस. वाओ वाओ वाओ. वेल डन. बहुत ही उम्दा खेली आप. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. कंटिन्यू प्लीज. नाइस. वेल डन. ओके व्हाट एल्स? What would you like to say
Okay.
before we conclude?
हाँ, so we are ending this podcast.
Yes.
और कुछ प्यारे शब्द. अब आपकी बारी, बताइए. फर्स्ट और करंट इम्प्रेशन ऑफ सुकृति ग्रोवर.
Oh dude, so I'm generally a very shy person. ये तो तुझे पता ही है already. Okay.
हाँ.
And मैं बहुत reserved रहता हूँ generally. But like if I gel with somebody, I gel with them. Like wow, like full gel.
I know
proper.
that.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
And
continue, sorry.
I think she's very rare person to find in the sense कि she expects nothing back from you and she just wants to make people laugh and smile and have a like make people cheer up whatever the scenario is. Okay. And she has great pickup lines. That as well. So let's be honest guys, I have never ever heard such amazing pickup lines. Amazing. Okay. In fact, she trained me. She did a full session, 2-hour session to make sure that a shy guy like me is able to go to a club and at least use one pickup line. At least one. Okay. So I have mustered the courage for it. But I think I lack a little bit in the skill set, which obviously Sukriti Grover is naturally talented at. So but yeah,
Wow, I'm
very
very
fun
Sharmila
person.
now.
Very fun person to be around. That is Sukriti Grover. And she's not yet discovered, which is strange. She has amazing videos, a lot of fun to watch. Okay. And she like gets content out of people. Unlike me.
That's true.
Depends how. Let's see how hilarious this podcast is. If it is hilarious, guys, then you know that Sukriti Grover has done the job.
So let's end this podcast and राव, तुझे कैसा लगा एक पॉडकास्ट में इतनी बातें करके?
Wow, was that like a dig on PBTV? Huh? Was it? That was the first podcast you get to talk in so much. That is wow.
Yes.
That is what I'm trying to say, guys. Sukriti lets you speak. She listens. She's a very good listener, and she makes sure that you speak. Okay.
इससे मुझे याद आया.
She sends you a check of 50,000 rupees and puts you on gunpoint to make you speak as much as possible. Guys, I'm not even kidding. There are 3 people standing outside right now. Okay, they're gonna shoot me if I don't speak. Okay, so that is basically what the scenario is.
इससे मुझे याद आया, लाइक अभी 2-3 दिन पहले वी वर ऑन अ डिस्कॉर्ड कॉल, मी, वेदांत एंड राव, एंड मेरे को लगा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करेंगे, बकचोदी करेंगे, एंड इट वाज द वर्स्ट डिसीजन एवर. जिनको नहीं पता, आई वाज गोना ब्रिंग वेदांत ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट एज वेल. हम तीनों साथ में बात करने वाले थे, बट हमने रैंडमली उस दिन डिस्कॉर्ड कॉल किया एंड आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, ये नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि ये दोनों 4 घंटे बात किए हैं एंड आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट देयर फेसेस लाइक शिट, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या बात कर रहे हैं. दिस इज टू इंटेलेक्चुअल फॉर मी, दिस इज टू मच फॉर मी टू प्रोसेस इन अ डे. बहुत ज्यादा है. सो या
इट्स ओके,
बट आई
we'll
वाज
catch up.
लिसनिंग टू देम.
We'll catch up. ओ वेदांत, मेरी उम्र भी ज्यादा है ना तेरे से, काफी ज्यादा है आई थिंक.
हाँ, दोनों ऐसे. तो तुम मेरे को क्या टोंट मार रहे हो कि हाँ मैं बच्ची हूँ, छोटी हूँ?
No, we are not saying तू बच्ची है. After all the conversations we have had, we are never gonna say that तू बच्ची है भाई. जेल हम जाएंगे, ठीक है? हमको रिस्क बिल्कुल नहीं लेना. But like, I would say कि लोगों की इंटरेस्ट होती है यार. वेदांत and me like are going through a phase of adulting. So like we talk about that. We have fun in that. अब तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उसमें, so it's not your fault. You don't have to judge yourself for it. I'm not judging you. Why are you judging yourself, man?
I am not judging myself. I
Then
never
what?
judge myself.
Nice.
What?
Okay. Nice.
कुछ भी.
I don't critique myself, guys. Okay, I don't.
No.
I will never
I
critique
love
myself.
myself, guys. मैं अपने आप से इतना प्यार करती हूँ ना, तभी मैं लोगों को और प्यार दे पाती हूँ. That's how it works.
Right.
So
yeah, that is it.
anyway, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this podcast. Like करो, comment करो, and this please go and subscribe to this one as well. बहुत ही प्यारे वीडियोस हैं. Like I love watching his gameplay especially क्योंकि ये अभी मोर्राफ पे इतना नहीं डाल रहा.
Actually, I am actually uploading tomorrow on Morraf.
Oh, अच्छा हाँ, the
Yeah.
one you told me तो shoot कर रहा है वो वाला.
Right.
Oh, see guys, आ रहा है नया वीडियो. Cool.
Yes.
But ये पॉडकास्ट उसके बहुत बाद ही आएगा. Of course, because
Wow.
my editing speed, I am not Ocus, guys.
Wow. What do you mean? I'm not Ocus. I edit the videos. What the hell? I also edit the videos.
नहीं, अच्छा, oh, I thought वो edit करता है तुम्हारे podcast की videos.
PBTV में we both do it. So half him, half him. It's alternate. वेदांत वाला मैं कर रहा हूँ. Right.
That's interesting. मतलब
That
मेरे को
is the
लगा कि
scenario.
वो, मुझे लगा ये okay fine, मैं नहीं बोल रही कुछ. So if you're listening this on Apple Podcast, please do subscribe. Google Podcast वाले भी सब्सक्राइब कर देना, and Apple Podcast में रिव्यू छोड़ देना. एक बढ़िया सा ना भी हो, बस एक रिव्यू छोड़ देना, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. गालियाँ लिख दो, कोई नहीं. पर इतना खराब नहीं है पॉडकास्ट, आई थिंक सो. एंड प्लीज Spotify यूजर्स डू फॉलो, एंड इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज वगैरह में कहीं अगर ये पॉडकास्ट को शेयर करोगे तो मुझे टैग कर देना, और मैं पक्का
Right.
रिपोस्ट करूंगी लाइक अ गुड गर्ल.
Nice.
Do check out this one's podcast as well. Person behind the persona.
Right.
मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोला ना? हाँ,
नहीं सही बोला. तूने perfect बोला. Unlike some other
Yes,
guests of ours. तुमको पता भी नहीं था कि वो कौन से पॉडकास्ट में आए थे. Nice यार.
Oh, fine. Okay.
Right.
So yeah, do that, guys, and I'll see you guys with another one really
Yep.
soon. Till then, bye. Recording off कर दे.
Bye.